This is like such an airport wig, ain't it? Like, I'm about to go somewhere. Hey, it's Sunday and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today, I'm going to be showing you this put on and go wig from Hairvivi. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can cut a very, very short bob. I am back with another wig from Hairvivi. Hairvivi is like legit my favorite. Like, I freaking love their wigs. They're so dang easy. This one specifically has been designed with a few upgrades to make this even more easy. Even more easy. Easier. Let me just give you the details. This is the Kylie short lace front wig, pre-made fake scalp. So it's 10 inches. It has 5.5 inches of parting space. Yes. It is a glueless lace front wig. I got it with a middle part, but you can actually choose and you can get a side part also. I can't remember if I got a medium cap size or a small cap size, but they have small, medium, and large, which is very rare. Most wig companies just have the standard wig, which is always too freaking big. Cap construction, some of the best you can ever get. Comb on the side, comb on the other side. The amazing, nice, long, big comb in the back. I love this comb. Adjustable straps, and of course, as I said, there is an elastic band already sewn in it. Not to mention a cap sewn in as well. Also, I really want to mention this. This is actually the first time I've ever seen this in my life. The little tab in the back is made of some amazing soft material. This is so crazy because I've never seen it before in my life. A lot of other wigs have very hard material back there or lace, and it rubs up against the back of your neck. It can cause hair breakage and also irritation. So this thing is so freaking soft and comfortable. Like, bruh, what are y'all doing? Y'all trying to shut down the game. This wig is like... It came in a super cute box. I absolutely love their boxes. They're so high quality. Even the like wrapping paper inside has their logo on there. So let me tell you everything I did to install and cut this wig. I'm using a razor and some scissors. I really like cutting hair with a razor because it's just, I don't know, it's just easier and less blunt looking. I decided where I wanted it and I started to cut. I freaking messed up one of the sides. So as you can see, the front piece is like way too short, and I instantly was like, what the flip? What did you just do? So I cut that piece too dang short. But other than that, it was a smooth process. You just cut all the way around using the razor, trying to get the length that you want. If you are scared, start lower than you would originally want and then work your way up. just cleaned it up a little bit, trimming the ends to make it more uniform. I think it turned out super duper cute. It was exactly what I wanted, something very short and easy for summer because it is hot. So that is how I got this super cute short bob, besides this little piece I messed up right here. Here are the features that make this a put on and go wig. First off, like I said, 5.5 inches of parting space. The lace is bleached all the way through, everywhere. It is also pre-plucked, so you don't have to do any plucking. And it has a cap underneath, so you don't even need a cap. And it also makes the parting look a lot more realistic. And finally, my absolute favorite feature, it has an elastic band sewn in. It's nice and secure. You can just put it on. You don't need no glue, no tape, no sewing, none of that. It is bleached everywhere. You can part this just about anywhere you want. So even if you did get like the middle part and you decided you wanted to change it, you can do that. Because this junk is fire. Ooh, actually that's really cute. Oh, fudge. Let me just tell you the good and the bad stuff about this wig. I have absolutely nothing bad to say because their wigs were already perfect and now they're like untouchable and unstoppable. This one was super duper cute. As I said, I just like opened it and put it on my freaking head. You know how amazing that is to just get up and go? Hair quality is another reason why I absolutely love their wigs, and they last like a really, really long time. I still have all of my Hairvivi wigs. All of them. Hair quality is so silky and flowy and nice and just, oh god, I love their stuff. Hairvivi is having some type of contest, so I'll leave all of the information down below if you want to enter that contest and win a prize. So that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Please be sure to hit the bell notification so that you'll know every time that I upload a video. I want to start uploading more often than just hair videos on Wednesdays and normal videos on Sundays. But YouTube doesn't tell my subscribers that I've uploaded videos, so it's really hard to make a video outside of those 2 days. So if you can, please hit the bell notification. It means a lot. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so I can make more videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.